So hi guys, Jenny this side from Guidance Angel and welcome to my YouTube channel. And today I'm going to do a weekly guidance for all the zodiacs. I have grouped it in air signs, water signs, earth signs and fire signs. So I have grouped them that way and I have linked the timestamp in description box so you can directly jump on to yours. And apart from that, I'll be using two decks in my today's reading. One is Smith Raider Waite Borderless and other one is Mystic Mondays. They both are wonderful, so enjoy the video. So hello lovely water signs, here's your reading. We have got the 10 of Wands, we have got the Ace of Swords, we have got the Good Fortune, Invite Magic in, and Opportunity Knocks. Go for it. So by seeing all the cards over here right now, what I am picking up that you have been taking a lot of stress and burden. Maybe you are so much determined about your career that you put in a lot of work in it, and you were so evolved in it that you were lacking a lot of clarity. Like you were seeking that you are doing something but you don't know where you are going, and the path wasn't clear, the perspective wasn't clear. But this week I do see a lot of clarity coming in. I do see a lot of opportunities and good fortune coming in. So your efforts from your past will be paid off, and I do see a lot of good things coming in. And this week if some opportunity knocks in, then it would be the best time for you to go for it, because stressing over it won't take you anywhere. Just follow your instincts, because it would be very swift and quick enough. And yeah, like that opportunity is definitely going to bring a lot of good fortune in your life. So even if any other external opportunity doesn't come, then too you need to be sure that you are like gaining a lot of clarity, and that should be a completely new direction which you pursue. So this period would be great for two things, that is one is gaining clarity and perspective, and second is grabbing the opportunity coming in which will bring a good fortune into your life. In any which ways, taking a lot of baggage on your shoulders, taking a lot of things on your shoulder won't work up. So the only theme for the week I am getting the download that like you need to trust yourself, you need to believe in yourself, and you need to be ensured that if something is coming up your way, it has a purpose to serve in your life. It has to definitely give you something different than you are going through. So break the patterns, and lot of clarity would be coming up this week. So that is all for water signs. I hope you resonated. If in case you resonated, please do let me know in comments. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It would be a great gesture. Thank you water signs. Let us see what do we have for fire signs now. So hello fire signs, here's your reading. Let us see what do we have in store for you. Peacock, raise your standards. We have got seek knowledge. Then we have got this 10 of cups which fell into my lap, and we have got the 7 of wands. Wow, this is something that is giving me a lot of downloads together. First of all, fire signs, I see that this is going to be a very happy period in regards to your emotional life. So you do not need to worry about it. I also do see that you have like there is this emotional ending of something, like that is achievement of something and feeling positive, but now it is time for you to raise to a different level. So one cycle of your achievements has ended, and make sure you start the second one. And for most of you, I do see that raising your standard has already started, because you are focusing on seeking on lot of knowledge. So in coming week, you need to target on getting a lot of knowledge. And how can you raise what you already know? Sometimes it is standards does not always mean about the luxuries or about anything that it is sometimes raising your knowledge and raising through wisdom, like raising your wisdom and growing through wisdom. So this week is about growing. And I also do see that you will be so much evolved that you will try and lay a lot of, like, you have already laid a great foundation for whatever you are doing. but you will become so much aggressive or defensive towards it. Because if you look at this guy's expression, he is so much evolved into it, and he is so much trying to put that wand into the earth, that he is completely aggressive and defensive, and he wants to do it at any cost. So make sure you don't get involved in this process so much. You need to go a little slow, you need to go with that pace, you need to go with that happiness. And like at the end, your intention should be how can you seek knowledge and how can you grow from it. Nothing more than that, but it has to be very evolved process, it has to be a very grown process. And you need to target on jumping to next level into your life. Like if you are working as consultant, make sure you are targeting becoming a senior consultant, or make sure you learn from them. So it is all about going to next level. And this week you will feel a lot of passion, a lot of hunger for knowledge. So make sure you follow that instinct, because emotionally I do see things are settled. You do not need to worry much about it. If in case you get involved in anything emotionally traumatic, or in any fight or anything, make sure you don't become too much defensive or protective about your thing, that you try and prove your point, not the relation. So don't become in that process, like where you just want to prove yourself, not work on relationship. So that is all about fire signs. Now let us see what do we have for earth signs. So hello lovely earth signs, here's your reading. Let us see what do we have in store for you. Leadership, set your goals. 3 of Swords, okay. Dolphin, don't worry, be happy. And the Magician at the end. So what do I feel over here is that first of all, I do see that you have been worrying a lot about what others will think, or what perception do they have for you, or a lot of expectations are causing you a lot of hurt or heartbreak or betrayal. But you are worrying too much about what others want, or what are your roles and responsibilities if you belong to some family or some job. Like you are thinking too much about what others are expecting out of you, or what you are expecting from others, and that is giving you a clear heartbreak. And for coming week, I do see that you need to leave that worry behind. You need to stop thinking about it. You need to step into your power and set your goals. So this week is all about setting your goals and standing up in your power and manifesting what you exactly want, rather than holding on to what has happened, or what has hurted you, or what has caused you trouble in past. This week should be all about manifesting your desire, holding on to your power, because you have everything in your hand what it needs to move forward into your life. You have money, you have resources, you have everything that is needed. And at the same time, I also do see that if I closely look into the vibes and the download that I am getting, is that you need to like focus on your goals, like long-term perspective, long-term goals. And you need to set your goals and stop worrying about it. Like if you have already set your goals and things are not going the way you have planned, and that is causing you hurt, then that is also not the right approach, because you need to stop worrying about it. You need to stop letting it bother you, and start holding on to your power. Like you need to, like you are divinely blessed. If things are not working out, it will work out at divine timing. You should not be the only stakeholder in your life due to which things are not working. You should not take that on your head. You should stop worrying about it. You just need to, like if I keep it in one sentence, for coming week you should try and step into your power and manifest what you want. And your direction should be towards your long-term goal, and it shouldn't be pressure, or it shouldn't be worry. Like you shouldn't be scared to get what you have asked for, or you shouldn't be scared to look for what you have been needing since so long. So that is all for earth signs. Now let us see what do we have for air signs. Hello lovely air signs, here's your reading. Let us see what do we have for air signs. Friendships, nurture relationships. Then we have go with the flow, let things happen. Wow, the Ace of Wands, great. and the King of Cups. So what I intuitively feel over here is that this time is for you to nurture the relationships, feel a little emotionally overwhelmed or emotionally connected with your surroundings, and feel whatever is happening around you is for your good. And at the same time, it is time for you to experience that friendships and nurture relationships. It may be the times when it is time for you to give more rather than take, and like it is time for you to invest in that relationship so that it can give you great results in future. So it is all about staying in your power, staying grounded, staying emotionally connected with yourself first, and then trying to nurture relationships around you, friendships around you. And also at the same time, if you feel like you have been putting in too much into the stuff, then in coming week I do feel that you need to let things happen at its own. Maybe you will feel like you have done enough now, you have invested enough, you have done enough, you have put all the hard work that was needed to make things work. Now it is time for you to go with the flow. And as soon as you let go of and stand up in your power and feel nurtured and emotionally connected with yourself, things are going to go really very well, because I over here do see that Ace of Wands. So that would be, if I look at it that way, like there are a little bit of leaves coming out of this, and this hand is coming out of heaven, and the lens is, the still kingdom is building over here, if you see. So like you have put in it that effort, that fertility has grown, so your efforts has grown, and now it is time for you to let it like see it growing. That is the way I'll put it. So maybe this week would be to try and make things work. But if you feel like if it is enough and you have given it too much, then you should be, then at this time would be like you need to just go with the flow, let things happen, because I do see the beginnings would be coming up, your results also. Like once when we are in that cycle of giving too much, once we are in that cycle of putting in, we never see that whether we are getting it in return or not, because we keep on putting in a direction and our viewpoint is towards that. But once you rest, and once you emotionally control yourself, and you feel like now I want to go with the flow, you will see results. Like you will see the efforts coming in from the other ways. It can be related to work also. Like if you are putting in too much and you are not getting that recognition that you should be, then this week just try and go with the flow and see if results are seen. So it is all about nurturing things and seeing results, because I do see results also. Definitely results would be coming in. The only thing that you need to focus in is emotionally controlled. So make sure you are balanced, air signs. That is all for air signs from my end. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do. It would be of a great help. Thank you guys. See you in next video.